Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make table Microsoft Word. Open the Word file. There in the Insert menu, click on Table and define the size of the table. Then from the Table Design menu, select the style you want for your table. Finally, you can enter the desired text in the table cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.